It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options.
If you're thinking about upgrading your house, an apartment, or even just a one room, don't move. Today we're at Supreme Traders and we're about to see what the inside looks like. So guys, follow me. Alright everybody, so we are about to step inside of Supreme Traders. And people, what I want to do for me in the meantime is to press up the like button so the video can get out to more people. So as you can see, there is the address for Supreme Traders, and I will leave the information down in the description as well, along with the phone number. And people, this is a good size store and I will be well detailed with the viewing. I'll basically just walk around and just show you guys the furniture and the prices, right? So I'll try to view as much prices that I can. All right, so if you don't see a price on any other item, that's because there are no prices on them. All right, so I'll take my time. Listen, I want it to feel like you're actually in the store, so I will be looking on all of the furniture. Yeah, you hear me right, all of the furniture then. I want it to feel like you are actually in the store physically, just walking around and looking at all of the furniture then. So I won't be rushing anything. All right, I'll be taking my time, right? So just sit back and relax, and I will be asking some questions about the furniture that I view. All right, so you guys can give your response in the comment section. All right, so make a move same time. So this is the price for this sofa. So this is the first sectional for the video. So there's a lot more sectional to be seen. So guys, tell me what you think about this one and the color. Would you buy this one, and is the price too high or is the price okay? So let me know in the comment section for the first sectional. And as you can see across from me, there are a lot more of this one in different colors. Let's take a look at the pricing for the center table. All right, so that was the price. So this sectional is much similar to the first one. It's basically in a different color. So nothing really different about this one. It's just a color difference. But still giving you an idea of what the different colors look like. Alright, so we're moving on to some of the beds in. And I've looked around a few times in the store, and people, I can tell you they really have some nice beds in here. Just showing how the thing's set. So when I take a look at how the dresser with the mirror looks like, people are not the draw them want to see, right? Want to see every single piece of thing in here, every single detail. I'm not gonna miss none, people. So let me take a look at the price so we can get an idea of what the pricing look like for this. So I don't know if you guys can see clearly. There is some fine writing that says what you're paying for is the bed frame, the 2 nightstand, and the dresser with the mirror. So that is what you get for the pricing that you just saw. So let me do a little bit more close up so you guys can see the details much more. So if you're into these kind of textures, you want to know where to find them. Alright, so there's a closer look at the bed frame. Don't look too bad still. Alright, so we are finished looking at this bed. So what we're going to do right now is take a slow left turn and look on this other bed. Let me pull out them drawers so we can get an idea of how deep it look. Alright. Jeez and peas. I want to solo out people. So if you don't want, I want to gone. So earlier when we coming at people, like a bag of people in here, it's like them just rush the things them. So if you don't want, if you see something you don't want, best to jump on it quick and fast. Nah, lying still, but people, the store is really nice. So if you get the chance to actually come and visit the store, man, I tell you, you're gonna be really impressed. Let us see what is going on this side. I like the vibe of the one here. Me personally, I like anything in white. So the little white and this is actually my vibe. So like I said earlier, people, most of these that I viewed earlier are much similar. It's just that some of them have some key difference. Maybe they have some LED lights on the frames or stuff like that, or it might just be color difference. But they get the idea what I'm saying. So let me give you a wide angle shot so you can have a picture of how this might look in your bedroom. No joking of people. Now picture them something before and purchase the furniture them. So make we see where we are working with the prices then. See it there. Let us take a look at the chest of drawers. But I'm saying $100,000 regular price and $80,000 for sale. So they're having a sale for them as well. Watch out now. Like the vibe again. Definitely like this one. Well, I don't want to get too excited. Maybe look on the price first. Chaja. So the price that I want to people. Want to leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know where I'm going and the thoughts, people. The one that worth it, let me know. Remember, it's not for the bed frame alone now. I got the 2 nightstand and also the dresser with a mirror. Alright? So maybe that's why the price is high. And then it look good again. Alright, so make me take a closer look at what is going on. People want to get an idea of what me I see and feel, So this is the inside of the drawer. So tell me, it look big enough, even though it is much similar to the other drawers with the mirror that we checked already. Alright, so no difference right here. So giving you a view of how the inside of it look. And I usually be keeping cool, but I'm trying to really see it through. No clock, but I'm ticking. Am I shook? Am I tripping? Play it off, cause I'm getting everything that I'm missing. Look like I have to come back for that one, people. Alright, so let's move on to something else right now, cause man, Jesus, please, people, I wanted it look nice a while ago, but I wanna, I wanna look good too. Alright, see a nice view here, people. So now I have an idea of what I'm seeing. Alright, so make we take a closer look at what is going on. Right. price. When you see the price when you sell people.
I need him down on his knee. I won't wait. I cannot stay. I need you on the way.
Let me take a closer look at the bed frame. So, if this is your style, people, you know exactly where to find it, right? You see the texture, right? This is one important thing I always check for when we go into the furniture stores, especially when viewing these kind of bed frames. Alright, now for sure enough, what go on underneath the frame. Alright, so I'm gonna get an idea.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget.
So this one is much similar to the one that we just checked out a while ago, but it's much different, right? Even though it has some similarities, it is much different. This one gives me a cabin kind of vibe, right? I like this one as well. So this one is actually my vibe as well. It seems like these kind of textures are what people are mostly going for in these modern times. And I can't lie, them look nice.
I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out.
These ones are the one with the LED lights on the frames.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
This is how the behind of them looks. So if you guys wanted to know, this is how it looks. Let me see if I can get the lights turned on. Alright, so this is how it looks with the light on the bed frames turned on. Fancy. All of them fancy. When I don't know, so them look fancy. That means the price must fancy as well. So make us see where I go on. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know if this one is as fancy as I make it seem. Alright, so we're just going to run through a few more and then we're going to head to the other side. So there are more beds on the other side, along with some sofas and some centers and dining room tables. Alright, so let's just go through them
on this section and then touch on the other sections. Because as I said, people, in the beginning, it's a good size store, so we have a lot to cover. All right, and I wanted to be detailed about all of the stuff that I'm looking at. So if you out there, whoever is watching this video, would be interested in one of the pieces that you saw in this video, based off of me being detailed, and you would want to purchase one of this, you could reach out to Supreme Traders. And guys, if you've reached this far in the video, please remember to like the video. Please press up the like button so the video can get out to more people, and please consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. All right, because I will be releasing more videos in the future similar to this one. We're almost at the end of this section, and this is the middle section. All right, so we're just gonna run through a few more of these and then we'll touch on the other section, people. All right, so basically these are much similar to the one that we saw before. These are just different textures, and color differences. So we're just gonna run through them quick and fast and then touch on the other sections, because like I said, people, this is a large store.
Baby, I've been feeling so good lately. Seeing the sky bluer, the grass greener. I'm trying to fight it, but I know it's you. Oh, you see it too? Yeah. Never knew that I would put myself out there. Scary to be visionary, but you came in at just the right time. Yeah, you came in and blew my mind. Never knew that I could make a work of art. Never knew I had it in me. My canvas, it stayed blank for so long, but I paint with all colors now. I've come a long way from black and white. God, I've been so blind. This is the vision I always envisioned, and I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my muse, my music. It's you. When I'm not with you, you're always on my mind. I miss you every day, I swear it. Channeling all this energy. I'm making use of these feelings inside. Cause if I don't express it, I know it'll explode. Heart beating out of my chest. Yeah, everything I wanted for so long,
Definitely my style, people. Definitely. This is one of my favorite style of bedroom set right now. Right? When I say I love the one here, I love it. It's just the color of me, I wonder if color my style. I wonder if I'm butt people, because these are kind of white or black type of person, right? But I might rock the one here. You don't look too bad still, but I know my style. But I try it out. So guys, leave me a comment in the comment section, letting me know if this is the color that is wearing right now.
fighting my temptations, building up, I'm anxious. I know he wanna get me all up in his room. Look at me over now, you're surprised. Cause I put on a show on my first ride. I'm seeing it so clear, you and me right there. Sitting contemplating, taking off your suit. Let me ask this question one time. Think you got this on your first try?
This one is a nice one as well. Nice, soft bed frame.
Yearn for me, let the passion take me right over the moon. Ain't nothing throwing me off my high. Got my name tattooed on his side. They looking like how you do that. You can't get that man off your back. I smell him before I attack. I flip him and throw him off track. Baby, fill my void just one time. You got this on your first try. We can play cat and mouse all day. Do you catch it by the tail like prey? Can you chase it down some like Jerry? Do you think I'm a load you can carry up? We can play cat and mouse all day. Do you catch it by the tail like prey? Can you chase it down some like Jerry? Do you think I'm a load you can carry up? So don't you
Alright people, so we are now touching on the other section right now. So basically it's just gonna be the same thing as we did in the center row. Alright, so we're just gonna go from left to right. Alright, we'll just look on the one in front of the furniture that we are looking at, and then we'll just continue going up. Alright, so just watch where I'm going, people. Alright, so we checked out a few of these in the beginning. Alright, so checked out a few of these center tables already, but as we go along, as I said guys, you will see some different color ones in some different color designs. Alright, but this is much similar to the ones that we just checked out before in the center row.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was doing. Didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction. Convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything. Thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one. And if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever.
As you can see, there is a sofa bed right there. Alright, so let's check out the price and what the sofa bed is going for.
Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything. Thought she could get anywhere. Confident she.
This is what I like about these people. You have a complete, fully compact bed right inside of your living room, people. Right? All you have to do is just bring down the backrest, and people, you have a nice sized bed in your living room. So if you don't feel like going to your actual bedroom to go and get some rest, you can get some rest in your living room while enjoying probably a nice movie or something.
Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. Man, that baggage is heavy. Baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollade hela tiden. Hej, hej, nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know. But sadly I've outgrown. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know. But sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Baby, know that she knew.
These look nice, but I'm wondering if these would get dirty over time. What do you think, people?
Said you needed space. Said you needed more time to think. So you went away. But you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door. Even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50-11 days, 50-11 days, 50-11. I lost count of all of the weeks.
The center table kind of look unique still.
Wouldn't pick a fight when you
And so much it costs.
Now you're back
68.
for
Alright,
more.
alright.
Did you find
Not
the
three bad
hint
still.
you see?
Seems like I got the two of them
Did you
together.
realize that I'm everything that you need? That was there. Go back. So bad. Had to block out the memory. Yeah. Started from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. You've been gone. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, love it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. Your favorite position, do we still have chemistry? Yeah. Since you've been gone away so.
Baby, are you on the way? Home cut cause it's getting late. I've been waiting all day for you to swing my way. You said you'd be right and it's after 3. I sent a text, maybe you didn't read. I know that liquor got you loose and things. You like the chance to get your hands on me. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency. Come urgently. My room is vacant, please. I need you lovingly. Let me go ahead and set the mood. Need your eyes on me like they're glued. And I usually be keeping cool, but I'm trying to really see it through. No clock, but I'm ticking. Am I shook? Am I tripping? Play it off, cause I'm getting everything that I'm missing. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency. Come urgently. My room is vacant, please. I need you perfectly. Oh, it's an emergency. I need him coming for me. I need him begging for me. I need him down on his knee. I won't wait. I cannot stay. I need you on the way. You got 10 minutes, babe. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency. Come urgency. My room is vacant, please. I need you perfectly.
That's my cue. You and me is like perfection.
Fully compact.
Living our progression.
Bedding on the living room, people. Watch it, man. Jeez.
Lately I've been having questions, oh. See, I've been missing your affection. And this kinda reminds me of the last one. Maybe it's time I learn my lesson, no. Maybe step back from my protection, no. Tell me, am I still your baby? Or just holding on to memories? And the way you used to make me crazy, or did I do something wrong? Are we still going strong? Or you're stringing me along? Then that's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Uh-oh, let's go. Boy, that's my cue. We left it up in the air. I need you to make it clear for me. I need you to keep it real with me. I'm on your mind. I'm ready to pull up on you and show you I want you. Boy, you just do it for me. Even the homie said you suited for me, oh. But now the energy got hazy, oh. Tell me, am I still your baby? Or just holding on to memories? And the way you used to make me crazy, oh. I can't seem to shake it. I need you here with me naked. Oh, but boy, don't have me waiting. That's my cue. If I have to ask, then I probably already got my answer. But before I commit relationship suicide, tell me a little, reading in between the lines a little. Tell me if we lost the vibe a little. Uh-oh, let's go. Boy, that's my cue. Tell me I'm the one, I'm the only one. Something's gotta budge, type of time you want. Tell me I'm the one or I'm up and gone. Yeah, touching on my body like nobody does. We lock and key every time we link up. Put some pressure on so I know you're mine. 'Cause if I have to ask you one more time, one more time. All these questions got me questioning, questioning us.
Look, we tastemakers, groundbreakers. We crown shakers, moved us out the margin with writing, that's how we found paper. Hustling nature since we was riding back on the scooter razors. Had no stable footage since then, I've been the earthquaker. Brown sugar and cinnamon, don't think that I'm the greatest, I just settle for the synonyms. Hey, they wonder what's got it into him. I took a couple losses, I'm trying to win again and win again and win again. I ain't taking minimums, my destiny was written in. Coming with a different scent, coming with a different stench. Smelling like greatness and I spray it every day, that's the latest. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings, looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting. Look, I've been counting my blessings, but still stuck in my thoughts. Here I go, stuck in my head again. Daily I've been looking for some peace, what would you recommend? Have a couple drinks, go to sleep, then reset again. That's everything I'm better than, but everything I'm used to. Sticking to the basics, got me looking for a new glue. Looking for a new crew, looking for a new outlet that doesn't sacrifice my self-respect. I don't know all the steps that I'm taking, still walking through it. Hope I find a shawty that really listens and talk me through it. Oftentimes we end up smashing and loving lust. They asking for my heart, don't give it, it's hard to trust. Consider that a plus, and minus the complications. Feel like everyone's the same, internet immutations. While all the weak get the highest of the praises. Man, this messing with my patience. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings, looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting.
Yeah, this is nice. This is definitely something I would go for. Definitely, people. My style is.
You know, baby, I've been feeling so good lately. Seeing the sky bluer, the grass greener. I'm trying to fight it, but I know it's you. Oh, you see it too? Yeah.
This one is definitely clean. Definitely clean,
Never
people.
knew that I would put
Right?
myself out
So
there.
make you take a look at the price.
Scary to be visionary, but you came in at just the right time. Yeah, you came in and blew my mind. Never knew that I could make a work of art. Never knew I had it in me. My canvas, it stayed blank for so long, but I paint with all colors now. I've come a long way from black and white. God, I've been so blind. This is the vision I always envisioned, and I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my muse, my music. It's you. It's you. My muse is you. When I'm not with you, you're always on my mind. I miss you every day, I swear it. Channeling all this energy. I'm making use of these feelings inside. Cause if I don't express it, I know it'll explode. Heart beating out of my chest. Yeah, everything I wanted for so long, but I pay with all colors now. I've come a long way from black and white. God, I've been so blind. This is the vision I always envisioned, and I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my muse, my music. It's you. It's you. My muse is you. Let our love make a masterpiece. Sharing gifts that's so complimentary. All that was missing from the beginning, now I see it's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Yeah. Your voice is like my music, my music. It's you. This mind of mine is finally put to use. A force so strong it's all and all consuming. Without you I would lose it. My muse is you.
Alright, so see them have a little section where they have most of the center tables. Alright, so you can get an idea of what kind of center tables they have, along with the ones that you already saw already from the previous sections that we checked before.
Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish
somebody what it is, should've
These are the type of center tables where you put in your house and it just feels luxurious to me.
But if I don't know what's gonna break me, oh, yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of confidence love, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to flow. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. When that baggage is heavy, maybe I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Like I said, people, again, another bedroom set that is my style, and this is fully white. Definitely, I would definitely get something like this.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that.
So this is the price for it.
I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Baby, know that she knew. That girl knew.
Alright, so we are now going on the final row. This is the final section that we are about to check out, people. Boy, may I tell you, I feel so overwhelmed going through this store, because basically I'm giving you guys a detailed tour of this store, right? So now we are checking out the dining tables, right? Tell me how they look, and is the price worth it? 155,000. This is the price for it, people.
If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50-11 days, 50-11 days, 50-11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave. Now you're back for more. Did you find the healing you seek, or did you realize that I'm everything that you need? Had to block out the memories. Yeah, started from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, it's your birthday, your favorite position. Do we still have chemistry? Since you've been gone away so long.
I'm fighting my temptations, building up, I'm anxious. I know he wanna get me all up in his room. Look at me over now, you're surprised. Cause I put on a show on my first ride. I'm seeing it so clear, you and me right there. Sitting contemplating, taking off your suit. Let me ask this question one time. Think you got this on your first try? We can play cat and mouse all day. Do you catch it by the tail like Bray? Can you chase it down something like Jerry? Do you think I'm a load you can carry up? So don't you forget, gotta give it to me. Leaving me just with a tease. I want you to cry for me, need you to yearn for me. Let the passion take me right over the moon. Ain't nothing throwing me off my high. Got my name tattooed on his side. They looking like how you do that. You can't get that man off your back. I smell him before I attack. I flip him and throw him off track. Baby, feel my voice just one time. Do you think you got this on your first try? We can play cat and mouse all day. Do you catch it by the tail like Bray? Can you chase it down something like Jerry? Do you think I'm a load you can carry up? We can play cat and mouse all day. Do you catch it by the tail like Bray? Can you chase it down something like Jerry? Do you think I'm a load you can carry up? So don't you forget, gotta give it to me. Leaving me just with a tease. Baby, I can't lie, I'm devoted. He wanna sip on my ocean.
This one is definitely nice with the kind of marble finish on the dresser, right? I like this. I likes this.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So I notice most of the dresses around this section have the marble finish on them, which I really like them, right? It's a little bit different than what we're used to when it comes to dressers. Alright, so this is the final part of this section. Alright, and guys, I know you might be wondering, them dining table look crazy nice, but they said they're not for sale at the moment because they don't have any chairs. Alright, don't know why, but that's what they said. They really look nice. I wish they had a price for them, but when I get the idea of what they have, right? So when they do get some chairs and stuff and they start selling them, you know exactly where to find them. Alright. Alright everybody, so like I said, we've reached the end of the store and also the end of the video. So guys, please, thank you for watching this video, and do remember to like the video as well and to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, people. Alright, so thanks for the love that I've been getting on these type of videos, and guys, till next time, peace.